In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your friends list completely private on Facebook, 5 minutes. If you want tighter control over who can see your connections on Facebook, this walkthrough will help you lock down your friends list so only you can view it. We'll do this right from your profile using Facebook's built-in privacy controls. I'll explain what to click, why it matters, and what to expect once it's set. Start by opening Facebook in your browser. Once you're on the home page, head to your profile. You can do this by clicking your profile picture or your name at the top of the site. That takes you to your personal profile page, where you can manage sections like posts, photos, and friends. On your profile, look for the Friends tab. It usually sits under your cover photo, alongside options like About and Photos. Click Friends to open your full Friends page. This is where the privacy setting for your friends list lives. On the Friends page, find the three-dot menu. It's a small vertical three-dot icon near the top right of the Friends section. That icon opens extra options for the page you're viewing. Click it to reveal the menu. From the menu, choose Edit Privacy. This opens a panel dedicated to who can see different parts of your social graph. You'll see separate controls here. One of them is specifically labelled Friend List. Next, click the control next to Friend List. It might currently say Public, Friends, or something custom. Open that selector to see all the available audience options. Finally, choose Only Me. You'll typically see a small lock icon indicating that this content is visible just to you. That's the setting that makes your friends list completely private. After you select Only Me, Facebook applies the change to your account, and your friends list will no longer be visible to other people when they visit your profile. A quick note about what this means in practice. Your full friends list becomes hidden from everyone but you, but people may still see mutual friends they share with you, which Facebook shows automatically in certain places. That's normal and doesn't mean your full list is exposed. This setting also carries over across devices, so whether someone checks on desktop or mobile, your list remains private. If you see other items on the Edit Privacy screen, such as following or followers, you can review those later to align with your preferences. For this video, the important change is setting friend list to Only Me. And that's it, your friends list is now locked down. Thanks for watching.